Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to my first YouTube video. I appreciate you stopping by. I've been wanting to create a YouTube channel for quite a while now, and they tell me that in order to have a YouTube channel, you got to make videos. So here I am. I am JB. I am your master of none. The reason for the name of the channel is I have a lot of hobbies. I have a lot of interests, and I have a lot of kind of techie, geeky interests as well. Um, I know a little bit about a little bit, but I am not an expert in any of them. Therefore, I am sort of a jack of all trades and a master of none. So, welcome. And what I hope to accomplish with this video and with some of the other content that I have here is just to show people that might have similar interests to me that if you want to get into these things, you can, I can maybe show you a little bit about what I know and not overwhelm you with hyper technical information or do things that appear to be very impossible from the get-go, to show you that it's these things you can ease into them. So that's what I hope to accomplish. And then also, what I'd like to do is, along the way, I hope there will be people out there that certainly know more than I do about things. And I hope that you'll engage with me either in the comments or by reaching out to me directly and saying, hey, did you think about this, or want to try this, or look at this channel? And my hope is that we can all just learn a little bit. So thank you again for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a really short one. And basically what it is I need a computer. I have a very good computer that I use for um, some other things at my home, but I need a computer to help me sort of run my techie stuff. It doesn't have to be a super powerhouse computer, although that would be nice. But at the end of the day, I just need something that works, and I want it to be not too expensive. So I've looked around a little bit, and I think I found one that's going to work for me. I'm going to unbox it, kind of show it to you, and maybe in a few weeks here, after I get a little bit of time using it, I'll do another video just as kind of a update and let you know how it's going. So before we get into that, today's fit is Poly Ice Pizza, represent here in Mankato, Minnesota. If you're ever in town, if you're ever in southern Minnesota or in Minnesota, period, it is the best pizza around. So shout out to Poly Eyes. Those of you that know me, this is not going to be a surprise to you that I'm wearing a Poly Eyes shirt today. So, but today we're going to talk about this laptop that I found at Best Buy recently on sale. This is the HP Omnibook Flip X 14. And we'll get right into it.
Well, I do apologize in advance. I had recorded audio when I did the unboxing here, but my microphone didn't turn on. So this is the box, decent packaging. On the side, we have some specs about the HP Omnibook X Flip. It's an AMD Ryzen A7 APU, 1 terabyte solid state drive, 24 gig of onboard RAM, running Windows 11. It is a multi-touch enabled touchscreen and has a 2K display as well as a camera. Now, this laptop isn't going to set the world on fire with these specs, but for the price I paid at $799, it's pretty dang good. Taking a look at the rest of the packaging, pretty standard, nothing super impressive or exciting about it. It's a nice sturdy box, probably very well protected in there. Pretty easy to open here. You just pull this little zippy thing and then go ahead and open the box. And inside, it's got a little bit of a premium little doohickey in there. The little thing pops up. It's got a QR code on it for some more information. And the laptop itself is right up on top and comes in a disposable cloth protector just to keep it from getting scratched or anything like that. And setting it aside, get that out of the way, there's some more packaging right underneath. It just has some of the other items that come with it, like instructions, safety manual, stuff you usually end up throwing away, quick start guide. Again, nothing super fancy or super unexpected. It does come with a USB-C charger, which those are pretty handy to have as your charging adapter for a laptop, because if you happen to not drag it along with you, if you have a powerful enough USB-C plug, you can charge it through the USB-C port. Now, taking a look at the laptop itself, just take it out of its protective sleeve here, can see that this is kind of a standard silver. They call this Meteor Silver. And this laptop does come in 14 and 16-inch sizes, and also comes in different flavors of processors as well. You can get Intel Ultra processors as well as a Snapdragon processor, and different colors as well. Looking at the onboard ports, on the left side there are two USB-C. One is a 10 gigabit per second, the other is a 40 gigabit per second, an HDMI, and a 10 gigabit per second USB-A. On the right side there is a headphone and microphone combo jack and another 10 gigabit per second USB-A port. Continuing to look the laptop over, as we flip it over, there are some vent holes on the back, and at the top there are two screws to access the back panel, which is far better than my previous laptop, which had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and I had to get into it frequently, thus the reason why I am buying a new computer. So there's not really much to write home about the exterior design. And flipping it over, we're going to take a look at the inside here. Little protective cover on the inside. And standard keyboard layout, no number pad, which I actually hate, but it is a 14-inch laptop, so space is an issue. Overall, the keys on it are very easy to type with. They're large. I like them an awful lot. This is also a 2-in-1, so you can see you can fold it completely 180 and use it as a tablet, or you can use it in tent mode if that's something that is useful to you. But generally, I just use my laptop in laptop mode. So I have had a chance to use the laptop over the last couple of weeks, and it's been pretty good. I've done a lot of multitasking. Again, it's not a powerhouse. It's a 7 series processor with AI capabilities, so quite a bit better than what I'm used to using with my old laptop that this one is replacing. I've been working in both Fusion and Bamboo Studio and even doing video editing on it, and it seems to be just fine. It hangs a little bit from time to time if it gets overburdened, but with 24 gig of RAM and the 7 series processor, I think for the average person, this is going to work out really well. Primarily what I'm going to use this for is for my laser engraver when I go to shows and to run my lasers in the garage. But again, like I've said, I've been doing video editing with it, and it's done fine. I've also been doing some AI work with trying to create apps in some of the AI models, and even using programs like After Effects. And again, it works pretty well. So overall, especially for the price point, when I got it on sale at $7.99, it's a really good deal, and I'd certainly recommend it if that is something that you're looking for, and that's in your price range. Normally it's running about $1,100, and $800 is a pretty good deal for just about any laptop nowadays. So that's my review of the HP Omnibook X Flip 14. And hopefully, I'll have the opportunity to review some more technology and get a little better at making these videos. But I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. I hope you will like and follow me, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.